excited.
Yes, indeed. I love Fridays. So we're live and direct in full effect. It's another fantastic, fabulous Financial Freedom Friday.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Now we counting down. Like, can I just hurry up and go to sleep and wake up and let it be Saturday?
I know. Isn't that something? Just
It's funny. You
waiting
know
for
what?
the weekend,
Yes. You
waiting
know
to
what's
get
crazy?
paid.
Back in the
What?
day, in our former life, right? Normal people, we get excited about Fridays, right? Nah, now we get excited about Saturday mornings.
Saturday. It's all about Saturday.
Yeah,
It's such a well. Anyway, I mean, I don't want to just go off into that, but it's such a beautiful thing. I mean, the
yeah.
weekend you start your Saturday morning off with pockets
Damn.
full every single every
Yeah,
single Saturday morning.
it's truly a blessing.
So it is a blessing. It's a blessing. I've been looking at some ways, during this pandemic that we can be a blessing to others. In some
Hmm.
single families, they had a news, something came on the news just regarding the little ones that they're home, their parents are home, losing jobs, losing their businesses,
Wow.
and the food insecurity, they call it food insecurity, that they're just
Hmm.
not enough food. People
What?
aren't don't have enough food to feed their kids. Yeah, so I was looking at that. I'm like, man, I want to respond in some type of way, find some ways to make sure the babies are eating. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Just and I thank God that we're in a position that MTI provides me just the ability to have some serious thought and put some serious things in place. Hey, good morning, Derek.
Yeah.
Put some serious things in place. I don't know exactly how it's going to look, but it's definitely on my heart. It's definitely on my heart to do.
Wow.
You know, yeah, that's some serious stuff.
Ah, yeah. I saw some numbers the other day. I couldn't even like these unemployment. I thought it was 30 million, and I think they were in the hundreds or
Almost
something.
up to 40 now. Oh, well, yeah, they said within the last couple of weeks, it has escalated even more. I mean, just as the weeks go, more and more people are realizing their jobs may never come back.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. Some folks were trying to tough it out. With the at 30 million, there were a lot of people still trying to tough it out. But
it's really
now, as the
scary.
weeks have gone, yes, it is. It is. So, I'm like, God has put, me in this position for a reason. And,
Mhm.
you know, I mean, me and mine are fine.
Yes.
We're fine. We're good. We're probably eating too much, to be honest. To be
Wow.
honest, to be perfectly honest, we're probably eating too much.
Mm.
So the least we can do is to make sure that
Others have.
yeah, I'm gonna plug into some yeah, I'm gonna plug into some organizations and
Wow.
see, what I can do.
Wow. You just touched my heart. Like, wow. I just want to. Wow. It's really powerful. Um. Yeah, and
Yeah.
that's why we always say a blessing is not a blessing unless you what pass it on.
Give it
So
away.
there's no reason
Yeah.
why we shouldn't. I mean, we are very blessed, so we should.
Yeah.
And I think that's just a universal law. That's why God puts, the Almighty, the universe, whatever you want to call them, but puts people in a position to be blessed, right? So, others can also receive that blessing. And, we always talk about
Right.
receiving and, being in a position ready to receive. Um, Again, that's why I'm excited that it has been a journey. I mean, we're on what, day 28? Day
Yes.
28, and it's
Yes.
been really exciting. It has been a sacrifice. I would definitely say this is a season of sacrifice, but it does feel
Yes.
good at the end of the day to know that we have impacted what inches of almost 700 people. And it's just truly a blessing to be in this
Absolutely.
position. So, wow, look at that shift. So now we're going to shift, right? Because it is an amazing,
Yes.
blessed,
Yes.
prosperous day, right? And we're not going to focus on what's happening on the outside, because what's really important is what happens on the inside. And once you change what's
Yes.
inside you, everything outside changes. Okay.
That's
So
right. Yes.
absolutely. It's 11:10. Uh, we will not be long. We will be strong. We will have another session this evening, a powerful session at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now, I'm going to
Yes.
go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Marvin Tackey. I'm the founder and creator of Create Wealth Network. Really excited to be here with my success partner, the binary queen from the West, the one and only Coach CJ Johnson. We're really excited.
Right.
Um, this is day 28, day 28 of this
Yes.
30-day financial freedom revolution, this financial freedom crusade that we've launched called the Extreme Wealth Makeover. And we're here simply because of what's happening. We formed this partnership up where we're going to free 2020 families in the year of 2020. We want to give you a financial lesson, a financial breakthrough, and a financial blessing. Uh, Cost you absolutely nothing, but there always is a disclaimer, right? And the but is it could cost you something, not monetarily. Well, actually, that could end up being monetarily, right? Could be severely monetarily. So, what it's going to cost you is nothing today, nothing at the end of the day. But what it could possibly cost you is an open mind. And that's where we're going to go back to that word we just said, receive, because you have to have an open mind ready to receive. So if you're ready to receive, sit back, relax. We don't have anything to sell. You don't have anything to buy. You don't have anything to join. We're here to give you this free blessing and this free financial lesson. And at the end of this session, you will have your breakthrough.
Yes.
I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. And bam. So again, my name is Marvin Tackey. We're really excited. We're blessed. Myself and Coach CJ. 6 months ago, 6 months ago, yesterday for me. I'm really excited. I'm
Yes.
celebrating 6 months of investing and prosperity with this amazing platform. The reason why we chose this platform is because we finally found a way where we can level the playing field. When we say level the playing field, we mean every man, every woman, no matter who you are, where you are, you're in a very unique position, because now you can also be in a position where you can finally participate and be in a position where you can create your new destiny and create financial freedom. Okay. And we're talking about today, and not just today, but every single day. All right. So sit back, relax. We're going to go through the information. I promise you, this will be a blessing to you and your family. Okay. The platform that we've partnered up with is called Mirror Trading International. As I go through the information, you may hear me reference it as MTI for short. So please stick with me. Mm. MTI is a licensed and registered company. It's actually based in the Republic of South Africa. Really proud to say that as of April 30th, we're actually celebrating 1 year in investments and prosperity. Okay. The registered office, the headquarters, is also in the Western Cape of South Africa. And Johann Steinberg, this gentleman is the CEO and founder of MTI. Again, I love how this gentleman set this platform up because the main principle is everyone and anyone wins with MTI. The foundation and backbone of MTI is 100% integrity and transparency. The attorneys and legal advisors, Ulrich and Rokes, they're also based in Johannesburg. They're there to make sure MTI is legal and compliant to protect the investors all across the globe. Why are you here this evening, this morning, or this afternoon, no matter what part of the world you're at? You're literally here just to learn how to grow, compound, and earn Bitcoin. Coach, can you mute your phone, please? I'm hearing some background noise.
It's not
Thank
me.
you. Awesome. You said that's not you?
No, sir.
Uh-oh. What is that? What is going on?
And I don't hear anything.
Okay, maybe it's me. All right, forgive me. So again, why are you here? You're here to. What is that noise? Okay. All right. Why are you here? You're here to simply learn how to grow and compound your Bitcoin. All right. So why Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the number one producing asset outperforming real estate. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know about Bitcoin, just relax because this is not an educational session. We're here to simply show you how to grow and compound it and earn it every day. When I say earn it every day for the past 12 months, I'm sorry, 11 months. Let me not get ahead of myself. We're actually approaching 12 months. But for the past 11 months, we have not had a losing day, meaning that 11 months straight, we've seen a profit every day. And on an average, we're seeing 10 to 12% a month growth in our investment. Okay. That's huge because if you actually have some Bitcoin, right? You probably have it lazy in a wallet, okay? And most of us, the majority of us, everyone has a bank account, okay? And what's significant about that 10 to 12% a month is if you have a bank account, you know that you're barely receiving 0.02 to maybe even 0.7, 0.07 on the high, all right? But again, this is very simple. This platform is simple. It's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out, meaning that every single profit or deposit is simply in Bitcoin. All right. We don't deal with any other currency. That's what makes this so amazing. Okay. You're in a position where you will earn Bitcoin daily. And when the price of Bitcoin rises, not only are you capitalizing on this 10 to 12% a month compounding, but also you can double dip when the price of Bitcoin rises. Okay. How is this done? It's done through trading Forex. Okay. We have a sustainable business model where Monday through Friday, you'll receive profits from this AI software, whether you understand Forex or not. This AI software is taking trades on your behalf, six, seven, even 800 trades a day sometimes. Okay. This AI software is doing all the work for you, and Bitcoin is the base currency. What I love the most about this is 100% sustainable. Okay. Meaning that this is a real investment platform. Every single, every single profit that's generated from MTI comes solely from the trading activities. Okay. So again, this is a real investment. Your full investment goes towards your Bitcoin trading account. Okay. Meaning that this is not based on people joining. This is simply giving you passive residual income, having a system where your money works harder than you do. Okay. You're in a position where you can earn passively through the daily trading activity. Okay. So all that simply means is if you're a busy person, let's say you're a single mom, Well, great. Be the best single mom in the world, right? But have a system that's working for you, okay, behind the scenes where you can achieve financial freedom. No matter what your occupation is, no matter who you are, you can participate because there's no trading experience required. Okay, truly amazing. Okay, there's no admin fees, no membership fees, no subscriptions, no packages, none of those things that separates people and stops them from winning. Okay, this is how the profits are broken down. Every single member will receive 40% of the daily profits according to the size of their trading account. What does that mean? That's huge because if you're the seasoned investor and you have a lot of money, this is for you. If maybe you're the new investor and you don't have a lot of money, this is also for you. If you just thought about investing when we said that this thing is giving us 10 to 12% a month on average, this is also for you. Okay. What's beautiful is there's an additional 20% that'll be put aside every single day and is paid out into a profit sharing pool on Saturdays. Okay. You can actually tap into an additional leadership bonus, right? That's also paid out on Saturdays. The trading software, the people that manage the software, this is actually managed software. It's not just some bot that's just running around that will blow your account. Okay. So we have the trading AI software, and you have professional Forex traders that actually manage it as well. And together they'll get 25% of the profits. MTI, they get the smallest portion and pay for their back office, their licensing fees, and so forth. Okay. And that's 10%. And also, we can tap into that 10% because they actually give a very lucrative, handsome referral plan with that as well. Okay. But besides all of those profits, what I love is all income is subject to positive daily trading. Again, this is a real sustainable business. It's not based on people joining. It's based on positive profits. So yes, we've been receiving 11 months straight, no losses. We all share in the profit. Okay, nothing's guaranteed in the market. If there's a loss today, then we all have to share in the loss and no one gets anything. Okay, for that day. You'll receive a daily trading statement. It'll be in your back office or even the Telegram group. Me, I don't care about the 6, 7, 8 pages of trades. I just want to know how much my Bitcoin is compounded automatically. Again, this is done for you. You have nothing to do but watch your Bitcoin grow. Okay. Albert Einstein, he said it best: compound profit is the eighth wonder of the world. Those that understand it will always earn it. Those that don't, unfortunately, will have to pay it. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't overcomplicate this. This is simple. There's no contract, no lockdowns. This is about becoming your own bank. You have full control over your investment. You can withdraw in full, meaning you can take out all of your money to today once you have your profit, or you can withdraw in partial, just maybe take out half or take out just your profit. It doesn't matter. You can withdraw whenever you want. You can deposit as much as you like. Again, there's no fees, no penalties. It doesn't matter. And the requests are paid within 48 hours. Okay, a lot of you know I'm so excited. I did a withdrawal this past Sunday. Okay, it was in my account in less than 24 hours. Last Sunday, it was about 50 minutes. Truly powerful. Okay, this is providing what passive, sustainable income. Don't overcomplicate it. Just ask yourself, is your money working harder than you do, regardless if you work or not? If not, let's change that now because it's free. That's simple. Sustainable income, right? Do you want to go out there and recruit? I don't. And if you don't, then guess what? This is sustainable because you don't have to do that, right? Your money's working. You're not. Okay. And again, the blessing behind it is Bitcoin is in trade. That's the very heart of MTI. How do I get started, Marvin? Very simple. Very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Get back with the person that shared this watch party, wherever you're watching it, whether it's the replay or whatever. First, thank the person because they gave you something that will change your destiny now. Okay? You're in a position where you can have a new destiny. Okay? Fund your account with however much Bitcoin you want. If you're in the United States, you can buy that right through Cash App. Very simple. Fund with however much you like. But the minimum should be a minimum of $100 worth of Bitcoin. Okay. But if that's all you have, we applaud you and you need to get started now because you have to do something different to get something different.
That's
So
right.
start today so you can be in profit every day. That's simple. Okay. But again, if you don't start today, your account will get deleted in the next 7 days. So do that right away. Okay. Um, Not right this second. Wait till we're finished because there's more money on the table. All right. Again, please don't overcomplicate this. Again, you're earning passively from the daily trading activities. That's simple. Okay. That is my portion. It's very simple. You're your own bank. Have a system because there is no system out there that's working for you. So at least now you can have your money working for you. Okay. If you don't understand Bitcoin or Forex, great. Understand this. Your money's lazy in a bank. It ain't doing nothing for you now. So just put it somewhere where you'll see results every single day. Period. Okay. Now, for ladies and gentlemen that were listening to me, paying attention when I broke down those figures, a lot of you were saying, hold on, you keep talking about this 40%. What about this extra 35%? Absolutely. Okay, so I told you, I gave you some hints. This gets even gooder and gooder. Coach, you like that?
Yeah, I hear
Look,
you.
when you grow money every day, you can make up your own words. So this gets
That's right.
gooder and gooder. So without any further ado, I'm going to pass the torch right to my partner in success, the binary queen from the West. She's going to show you how to expedite that Bitcoin growth. Okay, and how to make it gooder and gooder. So without any further ado, Coach CJ, please take it away.
Hey, awesome. Thank you so much, Marvin. I'm so excited. It's day 28 for us. We set out 28 days ago to go live for 30 days, and it has been an amazing journey. We have been able to help so many families over these last 28 days, and it's just absolutely incredible. Our investors are so energized and focused and looking. I mean, each new investor is just, it's like a celebration that we have, that this is yet another family that is going to reap the benefits of this phenomenal platform. So thank you so much. My name is Christina Johnson, affectionately known as Coach CJ. I'm the creator and founder of New Destiny Wealth Builders, where we are committed to creating sustainable wealth for everyday people. And Marvin and I have found this amazing platform in MTI that does just that. And I'm excited to just kind of share with you, give you a little sneak peek into that additional 35% that Marvin just spoke about. The CEO of MTI, and the way this platform is set up, it is truly authentically designed to cause and to provide a pathway for people to tap into becoming financially independent, to walk into real, authentic financial freedom. So this referral program, it is a referral program, is absolutely powerful and dynamic. So this is a residual income opportunity and not a network marketing opportunity. That's one of the first things that we want to make crystal clear. Next slide. Let's see. So let me see what I can share with you regarding this referral program. So MTI offers three types of bonuses within the referral program. Now, first and foremost, we understand that a referral program means that you're going to be compensated simply by referring others, right? So here is how those three bonuses unfold. The first one, the very first one, is a 10% direct referral bonus. A 10% direct referral bonus. This bonus is powerful and life-changing in and of itself. Even if the other two bonuses were not available, this 10% direct referral bonus is phenomenal. Let me give you an example. Say, for instance, today you fund your account, you go, okay, I've opened savings accounts before. I can open a savings account for myself and have my savings account compound daily. Yeah, I can get with that. Let me just open my savings account or my investment account with MTI with about $500 worth of Bitcoin. So say you do that, and then tomorrow you tell your neighbor, you tell them all about MTI, and you let them know that, hey, it's free. You could open a savings account, and it can compound every single day. And your neighbor says, oh, cool, I'm gonna open my account. I've got 5,000 bucks in my savings right now, just sitting there dead, not earning any returns at all. Sure, let me open my account. Do you know that as a result of you assisting your neighbor in opening their free account and them making their deposit and all, MTI will pay you a direct referral bonus of $500 on their $5,000 deposit? In 24 hours, you have literally doubled the amount of Bitcoin that you own. Isn't that incredible? And listen, guys, that does not come out of your new investor's deposit. This is a standalone bonus that MTI pays directly to you simply for spreading the good news, for sharing with this with a few folks and helping them establish their free account. So the 10% direct referral bonus is just powerful in and of itself. But it gets even better. We also have a 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Now, listen, the operative word for this particular bonus is weekly. I mean, it is on autopilot. Every single week you get paid this 20% profit sharing bonus. And I'm going to share with you in just a moment how you can unlock this additional bonus. Now, mind you, all of these bonuses are add-ons to your 40% that you earn every single day. That's compounding. 40% of the profits every single day you're earning. That's on your basic account. This is all a part of the referral program. So this is an add-on. These are bonuses above and beyond that daily compounding. So lastly, we have a 5% leadership bonus. And this is above and beyond the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus, which is also above and beyond the 10% direct referral bonus, guys. So let's unpack this a little bit. Next slide. Let me show you a little bit more about these bonuses. So the first thing that I would love to just remind you of, all bonuses come from daily trading income. Marvin mentioned that earlier when he was sharing with us. He mentioned that the daily compounding comes from the daily trading income. Well, it's the same for the bonuses. That's where these bonuses are come from. This is what separates and distinguishes MTI from being a multi-level marketing company and puts it in the category of it purely being an investment company just with a referral arm. None of the bonuses come out of what someone else brings into the system. All of these bonuses are generated from the daily trading activity. Therefore, they're financially sustainable. Next slide. Awesome. So this is what I would like to share with you regarding that 10% direct referral bonus. I know I got your attention on that, and rightfully so. It's an amazing component. I know what the first time that I really saw the power of this, I had a new investor who funded their account with $200 worth of Bitcoin, and I received a $20 direct referral bonus. You know, that was kind of back in those days, that was, you know, kind of the average. Someone funding their account with $200, $300 worth of Bitcoin. Little did I know, 9 days later, the same person, I want to reiterate that, the same investor turned around 9 days later and deposited $10,000 into their personal investment account, which generated a 10% direct referral bonus to me of $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Absolutely powerful. So you always want to be in a position where you qualify to receive this 10% direct referral bonus. We know that life happens, and there may come a time that you need to liquidate your entire account. Say there's some, God forbid, some type of emergency or some situation, and you need the liquidity from your account. That's fine. All I would share with you is that at the very least, leave at least $50 worth of Bitcoin in your account so that you always qualify for that direct referral bonus, guys, because it's powerful. You can replenish your entire account just on direct referral bonuses alone. So now, early in our presentation or our conversation today, Marvin shared with you how 40% of the daily profits come directly to or go directly to the investors, and it represents their daily compounding, how their account is growing every single day. Well, 20% of the daily profits go into a separate little category, and it is paid out every single week, that causing a weekly payout to those who are what we call binary qualified. This is a weekly binary profit sharing pool. Now you say, okay, well, how do I access that bucket of money, that 20% that's being deposited in that bucket every single day? How do I access that so that I can get that 20% or share in that pot of 20% every single week? Well, here's what you need to do. In order to become what we call binary qualified, you would need to fund your personal account with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. That's right, no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. And because this is a referral program and this is what unlocks these bonuses are unlocked through you referring someone, you would need to refer no less than two people, assist those two individuals with funding their accounts, and they would need to fund their accounts with no less than $100 each. So when your primary account, $200 worth of Bitcoin, and then for the folks two individuals that you refer, no less than $100 worth of Bitcoin each. Binary bonuses are paid. How often? I can hear you screaming back to me. I hear you saying it loud and clear. Weekly, every single week, according to the Bitcoin value in your weaker leg, creating your weekly residual income. Let me tell you my experience with this, guys. And this is what I've seen with all of our investors that decide to participate in the referral program. Every single week, if they are binary qualified initially, those binary bonuses may just be pocket change, maybe just a few dollars, but each and every week, they grow. That bonus will grow from $10 to $20 to $50 to $100 a week, $500 a week, $1,000 a week, guys. This is absolutely phenomenal, a very dynamic referral system that we are elated about. Next slide. So there is a maximum, there is a cap on how much you can earn from this 20% binary profit sharing pool. And that cap, if it were $750 worth of Bitcoin every single week that you could count on, that you could rely on, that you could, base your bills on, your lifestyle on, that in and of itself would be incredible. But listen, guys, MTI offers us an opportunity, extends to us an opportunity to earn not $750 worth of Bitcoin per week. This bonus caps at $75,000 worth of Bitcoin per week, every single week, without fail, based on the trading profits. And Marvin already mentioned we are pushing up against 12 months of seeing profits every single day. So this is just absolutely powerful. There is a 7-day pending period. All referral and binary bonuses are subject to to a 7-day waiting period. Why is this so significant? And I love sharing this because my personal experience as a life insurance agent in my former life, I was licensed in several states. My license was with a company. It was dedicated with a company, and we would earn uh, advanced commissions for 9 months. So if I signed a new policy, the company would compensate me 9 months worth of advanced commissions. Well, then over those 9 months, I signed a new policy, have a new client. They're paying their premium, and we're praying, right? As a life insurance agent, you're praying that that person keeps their policy at least for 9 months, because we didn't want to suffer a chargeback. Well, what's a chargeback? That's when a person canceled their policy, decided they couldn't afford it anymore, or whatever their rationale was, and then we would go into debt to the company because they paid us these advanced commissions. We would have to pay them back to the company. Well, the CEO had the foresight of locking in and baking into this system this 7-day pending period where you will never experience a chargeback. When your new investor funds their account and there's a direct referral bonus generated to you, or if you're binary qualified and you receive that 20% profit sharing bonus, listen, it sits in your back office for 7 days. You can see it. It's sitting there and it has a little timer just counting down 7 days. Once it's there for 7 days, that bonus is yours. The 8th day, your new investor could withdraw all their Bitcoin. It does not impact you at all. Absolutely incredible system. So I love that that is in place. So the next thing that I want to share with you, I don't want you to forget about the 5% leadership bonus. Now, mind you, we're talking significant income here that this referral system provides us. We're talking capping the 20% profit share bonus, capping at $75,000 worth of Bitcoin a week. I want you to just sit in that for a moment. Let that resonate. The reality of, just think of the journey of earning $1,000 a week, and then getting to the point where it's $5,000 a week. This is real, guys. We have folks within our company that are earning $50,000 and $60,000 a week through this referral program. Real people that we know, that we have interacted with. This is really real. But I don't want you to sleep on this 5% leadership bonus. This wasn't in place when Marvin and I came into the company 6 months ago. This is something that's only been around the last couple of months. And it is just as powerful. I was in my back office earlier today looking at my 5% leadership bonus. And this simply is generated and unlocked and made available to you when you duplicate yourself. You are the person, when you qualify for this, what this tells the company is that you are the person that shares and helps others set up their account. And not only do you help individuals set their account up, but you're also sharing with them the opportunity of taking advantage of the referral program and the opportunity of becoming binary qualified, so they too can earn that 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. And this is the visual that goes along with that to unlock that additional 5% leadership bonus to become leadership binary qualified. Is simply when individuals follow your lead and you duplicate within your team of investors exactly what you have done. So if you in order for you to be financially in order for you to be binary qualified, you needed to fund your account with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. Well, if you have other investors who follow your lead that you directly registered and assisted with their accounts, and they just in lockstep do what you did, that unlocks that additional 5% leadership bonus. Listen, guys, I know that MTI is a real company, and if there are no trading profits, none of the bonuses and none of the income can be paid, right? We just shared with you that we have experienced profits every single day, Monday through Friday, for the last 11 plus months. So it's a real company, and the trading activity in the background is what generates those profits. Next slide. I want you to remember that MTI is an investment company. Repeat after me, so because I know that you are interested in unlocking these additional bonuses. And mind you, this is optional. I do have investors of the 635 or 640 investors that I have and that we have, I should say. That there are a few that don't tell anyone. They have their accounts and they're just sitting there. They are not sharing this with anyone. And that's their choice. I can't wrap my mind around that, but that's their choice. So MTI at its core is an investment company. It simply has a referral arm or a referral program. MTI is not a multi-level marketing company. Financial freedom. These two individuals in this slide are leaping. I'm just, don't they look carefree? Look at the arch in the guy's back. He is carefree, no worries, no concerns. That is the goal, guys, for us to get to the place where our passive income exceeds our expenses and you become financially free. Can you imagine not worrying about how you're going to pay this bill, robbing Peter to pay Paul, and oh, I can't afford to send my children to this school or to that school, or we can't afford to eat properly because all of the healthy food is more expensive than the food that'll kill you dead, all of these thoughts. This is where we live. But to be financially free, you can create your own reality. You can do and live and be and exist how you choose to do, how you choose to live, and how you choose to exist. So it puts the power back into your hands, guys. I want you to get with the person who invited you to this watch party. First of all, thank them. Thank them. Second of all, let them know that you've already downloaded your cryptocurrency wallet. That's right. Marvin said it earlier. How do I get started? You need a transaction wallet because you're getting ready to make some transactions. Go to your Google Play Store. Go to your Apple, your iPhone App Store. Download your transaction wallet. Can we recommend one? Absolutely, because we've been doing this for a while. We look at and most of us use the Exodus wallet. It's very secure, very straightforward, very seamless. So it works really well. It's just like the second book of the Bible, Exodus. Type that into your app store, download it, get with the person who invited you to this watch party, thank them, let them know that you are ready to become financially free and be in a position to leave an inheritance, not only for your children, but for your children's children. This is Coach C. God bless you richly. As always, I will see you at the top because the bottom is just way too crowded. Thank you so much, Marvin. I'm gonna turn it back over to you. I'm so
Look, go ahead and
excited.
preach your sermon. I'm out of here. Go ahead and preach, Queen. Woo! What a powerful message. I'm excited. Thank
Yes.
you so much. And we're excited. We will be back live and direct and full effect live at 9 Eastern Standard Time. So if you don't have the
Yes.
link, then please don't blink because you're going to miss your blessing. Woo! Look, we will
All
see you
right.
later. You guys be blessed. We'll be back live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And get back with the person that sent you this video. They will make sure they give you that link. And you guys be blessed and enjoy an amazing, blessed, fabulous Financial Freedom Friday. This call is officially over.
God bless you. Bye bye.